wood is covered in ice and is soaking wet. It's going to be really hard to light, so I'm splitting it in the hopes that it'll burn a little bit better. Just got to be real careful not drop it in the snow. All this wood is wet and cold, so we're going to put it around the stove to dry it out before we throw it in. I'm going to string up a little clothesline to start drying my gloves out. I brought a little luxury item here. Laying in that snow was getting my legs so cold. This is nice. You can really feel the temperature difference out here.